Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Let's say you have built an agent in Copilot Studio, you have configured the knowledge sources and tested it locally. But when you try to publish it or use it in production, it just sits there, or it gives the wrong response, or it doesn't respond at all. Agent failures in Copilot Studio are one of the most common issues devs face. According to community experience, the problem often lies in how the agent is configured. Whether it's the knowledge sources not being properly added or the publishing process being incomplete. So in today's small tutorial, I will walk you through the systematic troubleshooting process for a non-functional Copilot Studio agent. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, I want to go and check the agent status in the Copilot Studio dashboard. Before you start making changes, check the agent status in the Copilot Studio portal. Look for any warnings or error indicators on the agent tile. If the agent says draft, it hasn't been published at all. If it says published, check the version number. You might be using an older version. Then you will have to verify the knowledge sources, make sure they are correctly added. If your agent doesn't respond or responds incorrectly, the knowledge sources are often the culprit. So in Copilot Studio, go to the agent's knowledge tab, confirm the data sources, check the file types, and all of this. Then you can go ahead and publish your agent. Basically, it's as easy. Then, after publishing the agent, changes made in the Copilot Studio, Austrian Canvas will automatically go live. You must publish the agent in the Copilot Studio portal, tap publish, wait for the publishing process to complete. If there is a publishing error, review the logs for details. Then check the topic trigger phrases. Check the authentication for custom connectors. Then review agent settings and system instructions. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.